Hello, Viper! Yo, how you doing, my dude? How is it going? Howdy, howdy. There is sound, right? Let me check the microphone. Yeah, it seems like it's working, so I think we should be good. Oh, YouTube is blaring though. Hold on, let's test this sound, right? It looks like I'm playing it at a really high volume, so. Oh shit, Jason, I don't know what to do. Okay, let's do this really quickly. Nah, fucking ad, what the fuck? I hate those fucking ads, bro. I have like two people, like, who are you serving ads to? There's nobody here. The music sounds okay, so I think it should be fine. Okay. Yeah, it sounds good to me. It's not too loud. All right, let's throw this trash. And then put this over there. And then get out of there. Put this headset back to where it needs to be. And see what we can do. All right. So I was working on something. What the fuck was I working on? I don't fucking remember anymore. Oh, I was working on this here. Yeah, that's what I was doing. I mean, it kind of works. It does its thing. So if I go to settings, it's not really working, but it should be fine. It's an empty thing right now. So it should be all right. Setting page goes here. Me. Okay. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Oh, where's my headset so I can listen to some tunes here? Let's get some Spotify going. Okay. So, billing, my plan, and payment history. So let's go to my plan. This is pretty good. Looks pretty good. So I think we're good on this here. Yeah, cool. Okay. Now, user subscription. I think this is where it's coming from. So let me go over here. All right, so I'm gonna do here a new directory. I'm gonna do my subscription. I guess that should do my subscription. And then I'm gonna put it to here, refactor. So if I'm coming down here, this is probably gonna complain. Oh, because this is it. All right, so my subscription. Okay, no, it doesn't exist. Dashboard filling, and then my subscription. This should work, right? Yeah. Okay. So where's the fucking dashboard layout? Right here. And we are doing here dashboard navigation items, and okay, so we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna say here user subscription URL. I'm gonna say this billing my subscription URL. So this should now work. If I come down here and I click on this thing, it should take me to the same URL. Okay, let's do, yeah, let's go check out the thing. It's compiling. It doesn't make any sense. No, this should not. Let it reload. Okay, now it works. And I got an email. Jesus Christ, I don't know what's going on. Okay. So this looks pretty good. Okay. This doesn't jump over the shit when we do that, so which is good. Okay. Cool. Payment history. This is gonna be something else. Okay. Cool. That's still good. Oh, good. Yeah, this last payment, I don't know what I'm supposed to be. Probably I have to update it. So we have my subscription, we have subscribe. So let's do add subscribe. Fuck, there's like a lot of shit going on here. It hit the correct path, but if it is not provided, what is it gonna go? Is it gonna have a default or width? Yeah. So we're gonna go over here, plain params, and then plain. We're gonna do plain. Iron Man, what are you currently building? Any sauce? Is Copilot extension helpful to write code? Yeah, this is a sauce. And Copilot extension, it's not bad. It's just I don't use AI to help me write code. I don't use ChatGPT or Copilot. Besides, Copilot is not free. Like you have to pay for it. Why is it the first one? Is it a fucking... What the fuck is going on here? So if I do subscribe and I do selected plan, let's say that, and then just say plan. All right. Let's see. It is starter, so it's a fucking string, but what the fuck is going on over here? Crazy motherfucker. Okay, if it is that, then now this works. This makes sense. You know. Okay. So this is good. Okay. I'm gonna do here. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Do this. Planes. 1. Dot name. So that should still work. If I get rid of this, it should still work with professional. Motherfucker. Yeah, what's up with this question mark here? So what? Motherfucker. God, serious, it should still work. Instantly breaks. Sounds about right, right? JavaScript nullable list property index. What is that thing called? Question mark operator. Fuck on. No, not optional chaining. Yeah, I don't remember the name on that thing. So okay, let's say Java Spring optional chaining list. It's not list, it's array. It's JavaScript. Okay. What the fuck is this fucking syntax? It feels like I'm having a fucking stroke. This is a valid syntax. Bruh, ew. Ew. This is for real? Ew. Fucking ew. I can't believe this, bro. It's JavaScript. Why are you shocked? I mean, I have a limit for my shock too, you know? Even though it's JavaScript, it's just like weirdness after weirdness. Cool. So this still works, and then I hate like how unreadable this section here is. Like it's just fucking. If font selected, use it. If no plan selected, default to one about the cheapest. Okay. And then if I do make this professional, it's already there. And if I do business, it changes. And if I do starter, it changes. So it works. It looks so stupid, yes. What the fuck is still how code should work? Yeah, honestly, like JavaScript just makes things a bit more frustrating, like, not gonna lie. I think, hold on, I should do this. I think I have like a YouTube thing somewhere that I created for like tutorials. I think I should do that. Explain JavaScript optional chaining. Okay, so this is good, sweet. Yeah, I think this would be like a nice, cool little video for JavaScript tutorial for my YouTube. Before I forget, I should just keep adding those. Also, I think I should add this too. There we go. There we go. Makes more sense, right? Right. I am glad you agree. Okay, there is a cleaner way to do this. Okay, I'm gonna ternary operators and conditional modifiers are utterly insane at the best of time. Explaining them to people might be a good plan. Yeah, I don't feel too confused about ternary operators, but because it's pretty common in languages. It's a little weird in Python. Like you actually use an if else statement for the ternary operation there without using the column. But I think it's the same in like PHP, and it's the same in JavaScript, and I think it's the same with C++ as well, if I'm not wrong. I don't know about the other. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. So like the syntax is the same. I wonder if it is okay. What about Go? I don't know about Go. Golang ternary operator. What the fuck am I looking at here? It's pointed out, and hopefully unsurprisingly, using if else is indeed the idiomatic way to conditionals in Go. Then you have Python who just makes up words elif. That actually stood out to me a little bit when I was learning it, but you know, after like my brain got used to it, I just don't think about it anymore. Yeah, so you are doing simply if else. So it was like a on purpose design choice. Okay, that I can see that. What the fuck? Jesus, what is that? Okay, Go doesn't have it apparently, and I was gonna check Rust. Ternary operator. Okay. Oh, what? Is this for real? This is. I wonder, like, if you can do other operations in this scope here. You know, not like a single statement, but like conditional things within here. I wonder. Or if you can chain like if, elif, elif, if, elif. I'm getting emails, but it's not showing up on the fucking browser. Oh. Yeah, fuck off. Nobody's asking for your fucking thing. Just emailing me over here with shit. Like Python didn't get case select stations till 310. You're talking about like the case equivalent being match, right? That's what the keyword that they are using. No, just try there. Barcode viewer. Wouldn't you just call another function at that point? I mean, it depends on your use, but like, I think if you use a ternary operator like as it is intended, it actually is useful in my opinion. But like, if you have nested conditions then, or like chain conditions, then it just becomes like harder to read and maintain. You know, you want your code readable and maintainable. So bro, I know I fucking Nick, how we doing, my dude? He lives, bro. Yeah, I know it's match case, but I don't know where the fuck it is. Like, I can't locate it. Am I? I'm at 312, so it should have it. I'm not tripping, right? Glory blessed be upon this fine evening. Dude, I am fucking stressed and depressed. Like, I'm feeling really weird today. I had to decline 2 job offers today. Like, literally 2 job offers today. It's messing with my head. What's up with this scroll? It's... Bro, isn't there a link to the actual Python docs? Alright, let's see. What's new? Melancholy be poured upon this accursed dusk. I had to decipher that to understand what you really mean. You're past the limitations of my English there. It's 6:36. Yeah, this one right here. Like, how about there is a direct link? Why did you decline? For reasons like I can't tell on this stream. No, I do. I do. So, like, this is what happened in the past 4 weeks, roughly the past 4 weeks, right? I got my work permit. So, I'm actually good to go get a job and I'm able to work for pretty much anybody. And then I got my renewal visa approved, which is another like thing, you know, like achievement on my end. But the first one was the getting the work permit. Like, it's an incredible like relief for me. However, now like I'm interviewing and I interview with 2 companies and then I fucking killed from top to bottom, right? Like, I did interviews with them. I met with their recruiters. I met with the technical people. I killed on code challenges, live coding, shared screen, and all that. And then it's just like the company that the companies I was interviewing for, they just didn't give me much of a confidence in terms of like taking steps like as a career option into either of these companies. You know, like certain things were just up in the air, and then one of them were like, if I was to move forward, I would be wearing like so many hats that's like way outside of the boundaries of the job description. And like it's just undertaking a lot of responsibility that wasn't really clearly communicated. And the other one was it just didn't make sense like logistically, and also didn't make sense with what they were offering. So it's just like I would be running as if I'm a whole department. For years, I have no clue why Python didn't have this. Yeah, it has been a discussion on and off. Like I've been reading about that. Although it never became like a blocking thing because it's just an easier way of doing if else. So just keep interweaving. Yeah, I will. I will. I'm wide enough to be a whole department. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have any like, any bad words for the companies. It's just it just didn't make sense for me to take on those roles. Because if I'm taking a step, in any company, it has to align with my like goals, right? It needs to be an investment or at the least a lateral move. And like I can't be taking a step back. And then the second one is if I'm undertaking certain responsibilities, right? I need to be making a well-informed decision ahead of time. Yeah, the compensation was not reflecting the responsibilities. So I legally can't have bad words about my employer. You can if your experiences, if your statements are factual, you can. That doesn't mean that you are like bad mouthing them, you're slandering them, you are just expressing something truthful. Cash maybe in form of cash, insurance, or RSUs. Yeah. Yeah, honestly, the companies I interviewed and I got two offers from, there wasn't any negative experience with the people. It's just, like on a logical standpoint moving forward, it's just it was only a partial fit. And, it would be a bad step for me to take. But being unemployed for quite a while and I nailed it process entirely from start to finish and then I have to reject it because of those details and some more that I can't really mention. It's just isn't they gonna be crawling this dead 5-man Twitch stream? Nah. Even if they did, I don't think they would like be ending up here because I use an entirely different email address for my career and then like for my work applications and whatnot, entirely different names. Like here I use a brand JustinMusti, like it's nowhere else. Really to make me work out. God damn it. I have an undisparagement clause in my contract. I'm allowed to speak bad about my work. It's pretty insane. That's easily like disputable. I don't like if it is factual, they have no, especially if you're in the US and if it is factual, it's covered by your First Amendment like pretty easy. All right. Let's work out. I haven't done workout in quite a while, so fuck it. Okay. I don't have Disney money. I can't fight the mouse. Yeah, Disney is brutal, bro. Ah. Gotta stretch. Oh shit! I just touched the lamp. I ain't gonna talk shit about the mouse either. Yeah, unless like you are ready to burn cash, like it's just not worth it. All right. Okay. Whew. Yeah, let's do 3 sets of 12, right? Should be good. Live in Sweden and I still get bagged by assassins. Mouse is a really long arm, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I was gonna do 12. Fuck my arms. Good thing I enjoy my job most of the time. That's a nice thing to be able to say. So I have Nintendo sent out waves of Hitman to kill a plumber's name is Mario in Italy. Factually sourced. Holy shit! I never heard that. We don't talk about the Mario Inquisition. You don't expect the Mario Inquisition. Bro. That sounds like that the banana thingy. Banana bread. The fruit banana sellers or the company overthrowing government in some South America country. I don't remember which one. Dark times for the plumbing industry. I think it's Chica or something. I'm not really sure. Chica overthrow country. Chiquita, I think this is the Chiquita International was involved in a controversial operation to overthrow the Guatemalan government in 1954 with the help of the Central. Holy shit! What the fuck? Yeah, I remember reading about this. I just didn't know like if it was in effect there was an factuality in it, but turns out there is some factuality in it. What the fuck? I don't know, bananas. Overthrow a government with fucking bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Fuck. There we go. Woo! Oh, shit. This is gonna hurt. Alright, let's mark this as complete. Bro. MK Ultra melted their brains into a banana milkshake. My favorite trope is the US overthrowing legitimate governments to implement authoritarian dictators to increase their influence in the region. Bro, you're gonna get us like put on a list here. Install authoritarian regime and then come down like offering freedom, right? Well, the argument is match case. There you go. Like I'm on several lists already. I hope I am not, and I don't want to make it worse, you know? This is... Okay, so I think I'm just going to do this instead. Mr. FBI man who is listening in, this is all jokes, okay? Yeah, like let's show our intention, right? Yeah, we can just say like a default plan, and then we're just gonna do this. Default plan. I can just do this too. Put it twice. Okay. You can't suck it. God damn it. Ah! No, US citizen operating on US soil. Gets issued with their domestic protection agent. Yeah, I don't think that would stop them at all. So what is this URL here? Didn't stop KGB or the FSB or the AB. I see your point. Yeah, they, what is it called? What's the word they use? Covert. Covert. How do you pronounce it? Covert operation, like they just don't know. Covert. So that's where I then get the CIA award for journalistic excellence. What the hell? They'll just go covert. I can use it as an adjective, right? Okay. All right, let's do this. JavaScript get last element of array. Does it work like Python or like what? I fucking hate doing this. -22 -1. Okay. What is this complaining about? Possibly undefined. This isn't a fair comparison since the kid operated with the same powers and responsibilities as all of the US intelligence agencies. Oh shit, is it? Yeah, I didn't know like anything about like to what extent that they were doing their operations as in comparison with the different US agencies. FBI detecting me about the CIA part of them. Next day delivery for your award. Okay. So it fucking works. So if I get rid of this as such, it should give me the business. Unsupported plan option, business. What the fuck are you talking about? It's right here. Back in the day, they got the next hour delivery. Original pick, they were arguably more successful than all the combined with intensive purchases. Damn, bro, that's insane. I honestly didn't know like any, including their puppet states, of course. That sounds like nasty, bro. Is that coming from the back end? Like where the fuck is that coming from? Ah. Come on. They just outsourced to Amazon Prime these days. What the fuck? There we go. Mostly because of their willingness to resort to more extreme methods early, while the Westerners really had those annoying ethics departments to worry about. I see what you did there. Okay, I like that it worked perfectly on the first try, so I think we're good. Finally, a reason to give Amazon my 47 gross a month. Bro! I'm genuinely thinking about canceling Amazon now. After like a good, I don't know how many years. It's been close to 10 years now, I think. I've been paying these motherfuckers. But I'm like frustrated enough that I'm genuinely thinking about canceling it entirely. I paid for like 2, 3, but I canceled like 2 months ago. What made you cancel? You say sitting on an Amazon Power Platform as the lights go out and the stream ends. I mean, my loss wouldn't be that much, you know. Like what I have five subscribers right now, sort of 4 subscribers right now, and like 6, 7 people, 5 people watching me, right? Like I'm not really gonna be that affected money wise. I am saving all the money I'm getting from Twitch. I'm saving it to get this keyboard I've been wanting, Keytron Q10 Pro. Like I'm just saving all the money coming from Twitch to get this. No, not K10, Q10, motherfucker. Oh, I made a typo there. I'm Canada 305. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, I'm just trying to get this keyboard. Just saving the money to get this keyboard. The game I play a lot gives out 100 krona value per month to you if you pay for Amazon on subscription. Oh shit. So they're just like keeping you in the loop just by providing like in-game content. I do enjoy a nice Keytron. I had a, yeah, I mean, it's right here. I have a K6, but hold on, I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Like this one right here, right? And then the bottom row, it gave out. The bottom row gave out. So I am in need of a new keyboard now, and I do like this thing, and I do like this layout a lot. So I've been like eyeing this for quite some time. The deal is both ending and the game itself is getting some Chinese rootkits disguised as anti-cheat, so I stopped playing it. Bro, sounds like they just ruined the experience that you had over there. Yeah, this is kind of like what I'm saving the money for. And I'm gonna get one of these hopefully when I can. It's kind of like out of my budget right now, but if I get a job, probably like the first salary I get, I'm gonna get one of these. You like the color scheme? Yeah, the color scheme is pretty good. They have like 3 colors. This one is really nice too, but I think it kind of like gets dirty too quick. Same as this one. I would feel like anxious typing on these things with the little dirty fingers. But this carbon black thing is like pretty nice. The rest of the perks were barely used anyway. Yeah, I like it. It lost like all appeal to me pretty much. So especially after they put ads in the Prime Video, I'm like, yeah, fuck that noise. With blackened hours with the finger oils. I don't have that dirty fingers, but like I already feel like conscious when I'm touching the keyboards, and then it would just be like even more of a concern, like on the lighter colors like this. Honestly, I don't like the coloring on this one at all. Like this just looks weird to me. Prime delivery was like a day earlier. I don't care about a day earlier anymore. You could be totally clean, it will still end up dirty. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Also, like my cat gets up here a lot, so he's orange, and I will be able to see the hairs. Never need something that badly. Yeah, usually I don't need anything that urgent either. It was like back in the olden days where normal shipping was like 2 weeks, then we could talk. Yeah, right. Like a lot of the other platforms like caught up. Like I ordered a 3.5 to RCA cable converted. I bought it for like $3, right? If it was for let's say Prime, it's like $11, and I'm like in no urgency. Hydrate and stretch. Let's go. You should have done the stretch before the workout, so I could actually like you know stretch and then do the workout. But thanks for like watching for my well-being. In the water. All right, let's do our posture as well. Cool. I think we're good. You're gonna get 50K point reward. For what? All right. So this is good. Okay, let me see how this was like appearing on the thing on the mobile. I don't really remember. I think it is supposed to go to like next line. Okay, it is. So I think we're good. Okay. Okay. Hack the FBI and leak Biden nudes. You don't need to leak Biden nudes. It's already out there, bro. At least Hunter Biden's nudes are out there. What's that? Marjorie Taylor Green or Yellow or whatever that lady is. Like she kept showing it on the Senate hearings and shit. Like putting his dick out there for him. That shit, I can't believe what the fuck is going on over there, man. It's weirding me the fuck out, like for real. God damn. Okay, this is more or less in place. So let's see what the fucking errors here are. Yeah, let's clear this shit and then move on. Oh, yes, Coco. Where's my boy? Huh? Where's my kitty? Where's Coco? Come on, babe. Where's my boy? Come here, big boy. Come here, kitty. Oh, look at this boy. Look at this fluffy kitty. Look at this. Good, good. Good. Say hi, Coco. Oh. There you go, babe. There you go, big boy. Who's a good boy? What's my kitty doing here? Oh, there's a good boy. Is it time to eat yet? Oh, it's 5:30, huh? It's 5:30, huh, Coco? Huh? It's my boy. Coco, I got you new food today. I got you some new food today. Yes, this my boy. Oh, look at this boy. This my kid. Guys, I'm gonna go feed the boy and then I'll be back. You hungry, babe? Oh, he gives me headbutts, huh? There you go. I got you. Come here. Don't you worry about it. There you go. Yeah, I'll be back. Let's go, babe. Come. Let's get some food. Come on, big boy. All right. I fed the big boy. Now we can continue on this here. I think here when I do user subscription, okay, I'm just gonna delete this fucker. Okay, there we go. All right, lib billing subscription manager. Okay. No. Okay, get subscription session, get payment session. All right, I'm gonna do here get product. Okay, I'm gonna do here async get get payments. I'm gonna do here constant request equals new API request. Excuse me. Token, and then wait request dot get Wiper. How we doing, my dude? Letting this back on stream. Woohoo! Yeah, yeah. I've been dealing with some stuff, man. So return. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna do this here for now. Good, man. How you been? Been a minute since I have seen you live. Yeah, I know. I was interviewing, and then I was also like dealing with some back pain too, which is still here, honestly. But like primarily, I was dealing with interviews, and I had like 2 job offers I had to reject today. So fucking, you know, I was a little all over the place with that. How's your development going with the app? It's great that you're back for real. Ah, thanks, dude. Yeah, I feel good that I'm back too, because it was in the back of my head, just constantly fucking bugging me that I wasn't making any progress. But every little bit, every little bit helps. When I see it, the design, is it up on the website again, or I was talking about the mobile app that you were doing. But if you have it, either way, yeah, I'll like to see it. Can't believe Justin didn't ask me how my $1 trillion startup was going, but ask Wiper first. You have $1 trillion startup going? I, I didn't know you were taking Jeff Bezos head on, bro. Some washing machines need some coins to operate. Yeah, I used those like for several years when I was in Los Angeles. It was the coin up laundry. Some small fee each month. We will mail you a washing machine with pennies already in them. You can do that in Java, right? Viper, show us, bro. Let me know how you are sending it. Spoke to a person and they said my project is worth about 45 million pounds. Okay. What's that word that it's called? Appraisal? See if you can get some money for it, bro. Like you can get maybe investors putting in some money. Because honestly, that's my goal. My source is that I made it the fuck up. God damn it. There was a design sending you my app now. Can I show this on the stream or not? Going to bed, have fun. All right, dude. Nice catching up with you, my man. Have a good night. Oh, I can't because it shows like the personal messages and shit. So let me see if I can open this. Open link. Oh, there we go. Okay. We got this. We got this. I think it should work. There we go. So the icons, okay, virtual control, weather forecast, location. All right. Okay. Yeah, this looks like a lot of API integrations with a lot of different like services, but yeah, it's like a one-stop shop. I'll cry myself to sleep with my bottle of Jack Daniels. You take my space idea too hard, eh? Take it easy, dude. Looks good, man. Okay. 5:02. It timed out. Oh, did I break something? No, right? I shouldn't have. So I need an endpoint here that I should be able to get payments out, right? So like the user can see like what they are need to restart your PC. All right, dude. We are here. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do here, I wanna create a new comment here, and then, okay, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do here, payment. I'm gonna do the same shit here, payment history. Oh, what the fuck? So I'm gonna do here, payment, and I'm gonna call this payment view set. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward here, and then I'm gonna do here payment view set. Okay. Okay. So since now that exists, we're gonna go over here, and then I'm gonna just create, no, fuck off. Create this. Okay. And then request. Okay. So basically what this is going to do, we're gonna just fetch all the payments from the payments that we created, this one right here. And then that's it. Should be straightforward, right? Right. So, all right. And then I'm gonna say here, how the fuck do I pass it as a list? Okay, I don't remember that. Okay, Django REST framework, and serializer list. List serializer. Fuck's right here. Should instead simply pass many equals true when instantiating a serializer. There is instead and many equals true is passed. List serializer instance will be created. Serializer class then becomes a child of the parent list serializer. Okay, a log empty by default by Kim set the false to be one on the cell of empty list as bound input. Okay. So it already like handles it for you apparently. So all right, that's actually pretty neat. All right. So I have to go to the serializers here: product serializer, product service serializer, subscription serializer. Let's create a new one here. Python. Where the fuck is Python? Python file. I'm gonna call this thing here. Payment serializer. All right, that's fine. Asad Khan, you just earned a new subscriber? Hell yeah. Thank you, man. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? Coco, come here, big boy. I can hear my cat meowing at me. Should I do a model serializer? Yeah, it has to be a model serializer, right? Yeah. All right. So we're gonna do here class meta model payment. Can we import this? Thank you. Okay. Fields equals, we're gonna say, how are we doing, Assad? We're gonna do ID. I don't know what exactly we have here. User, product, amount, subscription. My cat is meowing. Guys, I'm gonna open the door for this big boy and I'll be back. He ate his dinner, now he wants to go out. Give me a sec. Okay. Mr. Kitty is outside. Static. I just checked out your channel. It's a hidden gem, but to gain some more subs, I would suggest making a short section of the stream like highlights. Yeah, good point. It's something I've been thinking about, but recently I've been doing a lot of interviews and stuff, so I didn't get a chance to really like do much of content generation, content creation. But that's definitely in the plans. And thanks, man. I appreciate you checking it out. Bye bye. Do you do streams on regular basis? Yeah, I do them like almost every day, unless I am sick or I am interviewing. Because like if you look at the history of my videos, you will see that like I stream almost every day, and I'm taking like certain breaks here and there when I'm like focusing on interviews or like health issues. Other than that, like you will see that I put out live videos on the live section. So this is not necessarily the best thing. It's just going to give us the IDs of the thing, but for testing purposes to make sure that this actually works, I think it should be good. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, if you look at my channel, like if you look at the lie, right? Like 8 days, 11 days, 11 days, 13, 2 weeks, 2 weeks. It's not really showing me the exact dates, but yeah. Like I did them like on a daily basis. These are all like streams like that I've been doing on the daily. Like 7 hours. Holy shit. 9 hours. God damn. 9 hours and 12 minutes. Almost 10 hours. Yeah, this was some long 10 hours. Bro, I was like crunching it. But yeah. When did you start first uploading content? Like on the regular on YouTube, I've been doing it for like close to a year almost. But they are all like live videos. There's like a few videos I put out there. I think a couple of them are like tutorials, and then I will add some more. Like just today, for example, like I had an idea here. Like this one right here. Like I opened this like an hour ago. Like explain like optional chaining, right? So like I'm gonna make a tutorial out of that one. Yeah, I'm only doing live streams. That's why. Like I need to like do actual videos. All right, so let's get this REST Fox, right? And then we're gonna duplicate, we're gonna do here, get payment. Okay. Billing payment. Okay, so this is supposed to fail right now. Give me like 500 or something. yeah, that's normal. All right, let's do here Docker compose. Give me the API logs. All right, keywords argument must be a tuple. Got a tuple. Oh my god. Have you tried sharing the stream links on forums where students could actually discover your channel? No. What forums would those be? I'm not very knowledgeable about those, to be honest. Okay, so we have this payment we've set. Like Reddit, Telegram, and Discord. Um, I have a Discord, but I don't have that many people there. And then for Reddit, I use Reddit, but I'm not sure like how I would share it there. Like what subreddit, like for example. There are lots of programming communities. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Telegram, I'm not familiar with Telegram. Yeah, let's do like model view set here, and then we're gonna do here model equals payment, and then serializer class equals payment serializer. Thank you. So, okay, this here, I want to kind of do this. That's what I want to do. Generic view set, and then I want to do that. I think this should work without me having to do this thing. I think. And then the URL here should just say list. That should be it. Okay, I'm kind of curious now if this is going to work or not. Let me try this again. What the fuck is going on? Shit, I'm getting some few there. Also, could you give a short description about the project you are building right now? I have seen the previous stream. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. So, I'm gonna share the direct link. I'm hoping that it will work. File lib. Let me see if the command is gonna work. All right, there you go. So, the project is, it's a resumable file uploader as the first service it's going to provide, and then the after one additional ones are going to be like conversion, like creating thumbnails and converting files from one type to other parts and whatnot, one type to another type, like converting PDF to PNGs, JPEGs to PDFs, and many more, like extracting audio from videos and things like that. That's going to be the additional services I will be offering. But the beta website is up there, so I don't know what this issue here is. Conf 65 in path must be a dick but got a top on. So what am I doing wrong here? So why is this complaining? I don't get this shit. It's like a SaaS project. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of like, it's a SaaS, but also a little pause too, like, but more like a SaaS, yeah. Like, I think you can watch the demo that I created a while back. Let me see. It should be like somewhere around here. I think it was in the chat. Oh. Okay, there you go. This is it, I think. Okay, there you go. So I'm gonna do copy video with at current time. Yeah, you can check the demo out from here. Where is YouTube? There you go. You can check it out from there. That's the demo. If you are interested seeing how it works. Unable to launch my server for some reason. I'm gonna send you later in your DM. All right, dude. Yeah, no rush. No rush. I'll be right back in a moment. All right, dude. Yeah. So what is this going on here? Oh shit, I'm doing this so fucking wrong. Why do I do this shit? That's why I hate like how this thing like really works, simply because fucking bro. Alright. I think this should work if I'm not wrong. Let me try this again. There we go. Now we are getting somewhere. There we go. There you go. So now in the view set, I can say, right, def get query set. I'm gonna do pass, and then I'm gonna go up here. We're gonna do payment dot objects dot filter 0 equals self dot request dot user dot all. So this should ideally work. I'm not sure if it will, but I think it should. All right, let me clear this out and then hit this enter again. Something went wrong. Billing payment does not exist. What the fuck? We have a migration we didn't run? There's some crazy bullshit. Bro. All right. Okay, billing. Yeah, the table doesn't exist. What the fuck? That's actually my fault, apparently. Oh. Ah. What? What? It ran? Oh, product is already there, so I think we're good. Yeah. So I'm gonna come down here again, hit this. Empty! Yay! Damn it! So like fucking, it works, which is good, right? I wonder if I can add that fucker to the payment. Looks like I just took these all out. I don't know why. Alper Karaklic, I guess. Can you explain your default response format on API endpoints? Yeah, sure. Let me just check this thing really quick. Exactly. Hell yeah. Right? Shit, what's the Django admin thing that I had here? .net. Oh no, it's API.net, and then I think it's admin. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. Okay, it does. Shit, I don't remember the fucking password or anything. I think it's probably admin and password? No? Is this Justin and password? Oh shit, it worked. Yeah, I know. Fuck off. Hold on. Since what are your thoughts on NextJS for making APIs? Is it good or worth investing time in? I did not use NextJS. I'm using Next.js. So I do not want to give you the wrong information. I honestly have no experience with it. All right, amount. Let's say $14.99, I guess. Okay. So if I'm hitting this, oh shit, hold on. Yeah, the user here, this is not working because the user is not the correct user. So Alper, I will explain it as soon as I get this working. Your question, okay? Like I'm not forgetting it. I'm just trying to not forget what I'm doing. because I don't remember what I'm doing. User JS, what the fuck is this, bro? User JS. This is the one right here. Okay, there you go. That's why. Now it should show up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. There you go. What I'm talking about. So, let me pause this music so I can actually like concentrate on what I'm trying to say. The way that my thing works here, I have created a standard response format for all my API endpoints, and every single one of them follows the same structure. And the way that it works is every single one of them has a status field. It's a JSON, and every single one of them has a status field that indicates it's a Boolean value. It's either true or false. And it's true if it is 200, any 200 response that you would get from the API endpoints, it's true. Anything else, if it is 400 or 500, then it's false, right? And then every single one of them has a data. Again, this is kind of conditional. It doesn't have data field if the endpoint is one that doesn't have a response body. An example would be like a head request. When you are making a head request, right, it doesn't return a body. When you are returning a 204, it doesn't have a response body, right? And same thing with patch. Like patch doesn't return anything. These are like, remember, like these three, there is no response body in them. So in those cases, there is no body. And then every single one of them has error, right? And this is a string that tells you like when this is false, there's going to be error as a string. If this is true, this is just going to be a null field. Like it's just not going to have a value. And then these are coming from the Next.js paginated results. So you can just, default this. Like when you see this means like it's paginated. Aside from that, it's just status, data, and error. And also there's like a error response code or response code, something like that indicates what this particular error code is. That's what it is. If you have any questions out there, let me know and I'll explain more. A lot of people don't know about Nest.js. I too thought that maybe it's a typo error for Next, but Nest is another separate JS library. Too don't know much since Express is generally used. Yeah, I know. Like when I first saw it, I'm like, is somebody making a typo here? Like, what is this? But when I Googled it, it actually returned like an actual library. Yeah, this one right here. Server-side application. So this is like Express, I think. Oh, look at this kid. He's a good kitty. Thank you so much, Ivy. Is there any chance that you can show how did you define it for all endpoints at once? Oh yeah, it's very straightforward. So there are two things that I'm using to make it happen. And the first one is a generic setting that you do for Django REST framework. So I'm trying to, it's in core, DRF, and it's in renderer. Yeah, you see that? You can customize what the response structure for Django REST framework. Like you can override how it comes out. So like it's just file lib renderer, and then you override the render method, and then see like I'm changing it over here, and then I'm returning it here as a response. So I'm just changing it. That's like what you are seeing here: status, error, data, right? And then I am joining it with the pagination data, because if it is paginated, you will see the pagination data. If it is not paginated, you're only going to see those. That's basically it. And everywhere else, like when I'm returning a response, for example, let me see. Yeah, look, it does, like serializer also does this as well. It checks. And then view set. Yeah, this is irrelevant. But yeah, you would go with the renderer. So like if you look at the thing here, look at, let's see, responses. Is it schemas? Oh no, this is schema generator. Is it responses? Oh, this one right here. There you go. Signature render. As with any other template response method, is called to render the serialized data of the response into the final response content. When render is called, the response content will set to the result of the calling the render data accepting data render context method on the accepted render instance. You won't really need to call that render yourself. It is handled by Django standard response cycle. Yeah, Norpa, yo, welcome back. So it's like part of the settings here. So I'm going to show that as well. It's in file app, my source, and then it's in the settings, it's in the base. And I think it's like some, yeah, there you go. So the REST framework and then default renderer class right here. You see that? I'm telling REST framework to use this renderer class, the one that I just showed you. So it extends from the JSON renderer of the thing itself, and then I'm just overriding the render. But like this is very straightforward. Walks in like a boss, sees Django REST framework, and sits in the corner. How have you been, man? Thank you. I really love your content. Yeah, you're welcome, man. Yeah, and thank you. I appreciate it. Still alive, can't ask for more at the moment. All right. How is the business going? Okay, we can close this. If you have any other questions, let me know. I think you can easily, yeah, renderers. There you go. API guide renderers. Setting the renders. Oh, you can set like multiple ones. Cool. I only have one, so pause. Need to get some shit done first. All right. I hope everything is good, bro. Oh, you can like specifically specify what render class you want to use as well. Sweet. This is cool. Not bad at all. Greetings from the devil's cat. Huh, you lost me there. I don't know what that means. Yeah, I'm gonna share this URL, Alper. So if you wanna do, I don't know if you're still here, so you can just check it out. There you go. You remember that small black monster occupying my apartment? Oh, yes. He's still. Uh... So I'm also streaming on Twitch and Kick. So I'm responding to the chat on Twitch, and Norpai from Twitch. He has a cat that he shared the pictures with us before. So we are just talking about that cat. Still they're thinking about calling someone for some exorcism. Oh boy. Oh shit, I'm supposed to order food before I get like extremely hungry. So let me place an order real quick. Give me 1 sec. Let's get some. Oh shit, this is the wrong number. 3 2 2 2 2 2. I think this is the one. Let me try. Shit. I can't remember the number. Hi, you got biryani? Can I just come get one right now? Can you tell him to prepare it for me because I'm working. I just want to grab and leave. Yeah. All right. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right. Bye bye. I'm gonna get some chicken biryani, bros. Best food in the universe, right? Ah, mm, hmm. Guys, I'm gonna go get some food, and I should be back in like less than 5 minutes, ideally. Um, because like it's literally right across the road over there. So, give me a few minutes, and then I'll be back. All right, I'll be quick. back. I got my biryani. My friends suggested me to adopt the pet cause programmers need mental support all the time. Chilling with pet after a day solving these questions on lead code might be interesting. Yeah, they definitely add to my mood. And my pet, I actually have a really good time with him. Chicken biryani, that's what I ate for dinner. Hell yeah, bro. Usually biryani only available in either Pakistan, Afghanistan, or India. Rare finding authentic ones in foreign. Yeah, the store owner I get it from, he's Pakistani. So like he's a Pakistani restaurant. And this is like one of my favorite dishes that he sells. And it's $10. And it actually makes me full. So pretty good deal, I think, overall, I would say. you know. Whew. So cold. My ears are freezing. I didn't put on my hat. I forgot about it, so man. Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn off the cam while I'm eating. Where's the camera here? There we go. I'm too handsome for the camera when I'm eating. If you ever visit India, do you let me know? I'll treat you some homemade biryani. Hell yeah, bro. I appreciate that. Sounds awesome. I mean, I do when I visit India. Hopefully, like after I get a job that I don't feel, uncomfortable accepting the offer, would be nice to go. Which company are you targeting? I don't have a company I'm targeting specifically. It's more like compatibility with the role, and I don't want company to like overwork me. That's kind of the goal. It's primarily like a either backend developer with Python Django or full stack developer with Python Django and React. Also Next.js if possible too. So mostly like that's it. Nothing too crazy. Have you tried Shad CN? A lot of buzz for it these days. I don't think so. It sounds familiar. Maybe somebody else mentioned it, but I don't think I know what it is exactly. What is it? It's like Material UI. Oh, I see. But on steroids. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I think yeah, somebody mentioned it. I just like I didn't recall exactly what it was. I think that was like 3 or 4 weeks ago, at least. Dararariraram darin. I forgot you are eating your interruption and your biryani. Ah no, it's all good, dude. Like talking is perfectly fine. I don't mind it. I'm just gonna like keep nibbling on it here. you might, you might hear me like here, you know, chewing and shit, but also there's a delay on YouTube. Like YouTube takes longer to arrive the chat message than the other platforms. All right, I'm gonna move this here. Get this fork. This is hot. I like it. This is a lot of food. Ugh. I prefer having some chopped onions on top and the red sauce, tomato, garlic, and red chili paste one. Dude, that actually sounds like a good idea. I'll prepare that the next time. I like chopped onions with like lemon squeezed on top. Yeah, like lemon and black pepper, red pepper, or sumac. You know, like it's a mix of those. It would be really nice. Sumac goes really well with like onion and anything meat. It's similar to chat masala. I wouldn't know. Honestly, I wouldn't know. But because I'm in Canada and there's like a big, you know, Indian population here, like there's a lot of restaurants that sells like Indian food. I actually ordered like a bunch of meals from Facebook Marketplace from that Indian family, husband and wife. They sell like homemade meals, and they were like so fucking good. 100% vegan and like lightweight and really tasty, like so much flavor. A lot of Indians are vegetarian. Yeah. Normally, like when I eat vegetarian food or vegan food when I was in the US, it's more generic, right? It was more, at least my experience was like more generic. But when I came here and I started eating vegan Indian food, Ah, it's like a whole different level. Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, and India used to be a big country before partition. Oh, yeah. A lot of shared components there for sure. Bro, this is a really tasty food. Divided by preferences, united by biryani. Holy shit, hell yeah, man. United by biryani.
If you could have one meal for the rest of your life, what meal would it be?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken what?
This is Indian food. Chicken biryani.
For breakfast, lunch, dinner.
This
What?
is lunch and dinner.
But you have to have this only
Ah.
one meal for the rest of your life.
No,
Not this one.
not this one.
Which one?
Many.
No. The question is you can only have one.
For whole life.
Yes.
Chicken biryani.
Yeah. This guy here, bro. He explains what it is perfectly well. In India, biryani is popular. Even vegetarians couldn't resist it and made an entire recipe using vegetables. Oh, hell yeah, bro. It usually have cottage cheese and soybean chunks of sometimes vegan meatballs. Never tried vegan meatballs. I tried it once. It was bland and definitely not meaty. Yeah, I tried like vegan burger and stuff. It felt kind of the same way. More of a nut flavor. I think the one that came like closest was that impossible meat. Like it actually came out pretty close. Especially in the burger, like you could barely tell. Like peanuts and Kabuli chana or lentils. I know lentils. I don't know the other one. All right, almost done. Chickpeas, but large ones. Oh, okay. We call it Kabuli chana because it's where it's grown the most. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Excuse me. All right. All right. I'm gonna wash my hands and we're gonna continue the work. Excuse me. All right, I'm back. Let's bring the camera back. Where is my camera? Camera. There we go. I am so handsome. God damn it. Also, it is 5:25 a.m. here in India, so I'm gonna go brush and head to the gym. Sorry, but I have to leave the stream early. All right, dude. Asad, thanks for chatting me up today. Appreciate you stopping by. Have a good time at the gym, and I'll catch you later, yo. Thank you. Okay, let's go. What the? Oh, I'm getting email after email. Jesus Christ. Is it this? No. Is it this? No. What is it? What's the email? What email address? Ah, fucking irrelevant shit. Sending me emails. All right, let's charge this. Righto. So it doesn't die on me when I'm using it next time. Excuse me. Peace out, touch, and see you. All right, dude. Thank you. Okay. So I think we should be good over here. We can close these. We explained the question. And don't need this either. Okay. So I think this was working, so which is good. No, what the fuck? No. Hehehe. Okay. So this is sweet. So user, it gives us the user ID, product ID. I think I can do, if I'm looking at the serializer here, and if I say product, okay, product equals product serializer, I think this should work. Okay, let me try this now. Is it rebuilding? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck does it mean? It's fucking... This is being a bitch. This motherfucker, bro. Jesus Christ. Is it like, does it want this? That's a weird fucking error. Okay, let's learn what the fuck this means so we can get our Python going, right? Right. Ah, okay, that makes sense. I'm so sorry. God damn it. So the amount $14.99. Cool. Just to avoid the fucking partial import shit again. There we go. 14.99. Bro. All right. It's kind of a weird fucking setup there. It's like a lot of information, it appears, but okay, let's get rid of things that we're not using here. Excuse me. Okay. All right. All right. Yeah, it's pretty much pretty good. My kid is chasing something over there. I have no idea what he's doing. Okay, so that also works, which is good. All right, let's make sure that everything here still works, although it should have no effect. Okay. All right. Make URLs. Billing admin, service admin. The value of list display refers to price, which is not a callable or attribute service admin. Billing. Guys, I gotta check what he's doing. He's tearing the place apart. It's raining terror over there. All right, I'm back. I put some coffee in the coffee maker, so you should get some coffee. So let's see what's going on here. List display item 2 refers to price, which is not a callable, an attribute, or service admin in the price. Service admin. Okay, let's see what the fuck this thing is talking about here. Service admin price. Price. Oh, this one right here. Actually, that's fair. There's no such field. I think that happened after I removed the thing, so this should work perfectly fine now. Hell yeah! Grab payment, please. All right, there you go. Billing payment. Oh yeah. Cool. So it's there, which is good. I get to do stuff with it. Nice. Huh. Okay. Cool. Cool. So I think if I look at this, if I look at services, yeah, there you go. That's pretty good. I like it. Not like it. Fuck, products looks awful. I mean, ID is the clickable thing, so it's okay. Product services. This is fucking. He's going to bed. Hold on, Coco. Let me make the bed for you. Okay. All right. So that is out of the way. Bruh, there's like a lot of shit over here, but it's all good. And groups. Oh, we got nothing. Okay. Nah, billing. Cool. Contact requests. Oh, shit. Okay. Something there we can look, but mostly this is just going to be, oh, I need subscriptions here. We don't have it, so let's do add that. Okay. Subscription. If I reload this, I see the subscriptions and then subscription object. Oh my god, the fuck is this? Bro. Cool. Okay. So this still works, and at this time, I think it's just kind of easier for me to just look at the data. If there's any new subscriptions, I get to see them. Although looking at this is kind of hard to read. I think you can only see the ones that like have like inclusion over here. I think same thing with the product most likely. Let me see. Payment provider ID. No. Where's the product? Oh, right here. Yeah, session doesn't exist because there is no link to that. So it cannot find it. There you go. There you go. Not bad, huh? It'll do. It'll do. Okay. So now last payment here, I can easily like fetch that now. Guys, I'm gonna go get my coffee. Give me a sec. Okay. I need a coaster here. Shit, my monitor just went out for a second there. Okay. Whew, all right. So this here is going to be a real data. So now let me go ahead and define the fucking structure of that data. So I'm gonna go lib. We don't have this thing here. I'm gonna have to go to types and then the API response. All right. So we're gonna do here export interface, and we're gonna say here payment, and we're gonna just do this. So what does that thing have here? We have ID and user. Okay. ID equals a string, and then user equals string user ID UID. Makes sense, right? And then we have the product. Perfect. Previously declared or defined interface here, so it should be perfectly fine. Okay. And then after the product, we have amount, which is an integer. This is going to just say number here. And then we're going to say here subscription. We're going to do a question mark equals subscription. I think that's the other one here. So this is it. So cool. Not bad, eh? Now, what I'm gonna create is I need to create another endpoint here. For here, right? I need to be able to get it per subscription. Like I need to be able to filter it by subscription ID. Coco, what you doing, babe? Look at this boy. Who's a good boy? Oh, good. What's a good design system here that I can do? Because it kind of feels like he's doing some weird shit. He's playing with a plastic bag. He's trying to get his head into it. You're gonna choke yourself with it. Bro. What is this song? I'm fucking depressed up in this bitch with this shit. Let's try a different fucking... Yeah. Let's see how this plays out. Okay. I need another one here. This time I'm gonna say here, we're gonna say payment subscription subscription. Okay. And we're gonna say here your ID, and I'm gonna do here subscription ID. And then here we're gonna say payment get by subscription. I'm just gonna say that get by subscription. Yeah, this doesn't exist right now, so it's fine. Okay. We're gonna have a request and a subscription ID, and then here we're just gonna do oh, he put his toy onto the bag. He's trying to like get it out. I'm just gonna let him play. Ah, this cat. Hmm. Okay, there's got to be a cleaner way of doing this. Let me see. REST framework query set filtering. Okay, so I don't have to do this. I can just do this. Okay, let me verify this real quick. I want to make sure that this actually works, right? So, all right, I'm gonna send this again. Okay, it works. Cool. It's not doing jack shit with these things. Like it's not filtering or anything like that. So it's kind of weird. You know? It doesn't take any parameters, so. Oh boy. Yeah, it's already doing an all on it, so I think we should be fine. Hmm. Hmm. Guys, I'm gonna take a call real quick. Give me a second. Okay, that was short and sweet. We are good. All right, so it appears that I can just filter the query set, and I think, yeah, so I'm gonna do query set, filter query set, get query set. How does this really work? I don't understand. Query set, filter, filter. I think this should work. Actually, we should do this. Subscription equals subscription dot objects dot get. Okay. I'm gonna do here try and then accept. Subscription dot does not exist. Okay. Raise entry does not exist. We're gonna do here subscription does not exist. It gave an ID, and then we're gonna do here percentage subscription ID, and then here we're gonna do here subscription subscription equals subscription dot objects dot get ID equals subscription subscription ID, and then user equals self dot request dot user. But let's remove the self here because we already have the request object, and if it doesn't exist, it is gonna go get raised. And we're just gonna take this here, and then subscription equals subscription. Makes sense, right? Right. I am glad you agree. This is actually pretty good. So I kind of want to test this out and see if this works. Okay. Page not found because it's not a UUID. It's not matching the regex. We're gonna go over here. I need to get like a subscription ID here. I don't know what's going on here. Subscription. This is a good one here, right? Now we're gonna use this one right here. Motherfucker! You see this? Isn't it beautiful? So, filtering, okay, let's do here. Ordering, let's do ordering. I can easily do like here, order by, created at. That's like descending, right? So like it starts with the latest. Cool. So this doesn't really make a lot of sense here because we only have one entry, but still they should be fine. Yeah, I think this is good. So now in the subscription manager here, get payments, right? We're gonna say get get subscriptions payment history. So this makes sense. This should make sense. So get payment here. We should do subscription ID. Again, it's going to be a string, so we should be good. And this time we know what we are expecting from this motherfucker over here. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go. What the fuck is that? What the? Payment, and then we're gonna do array payment. Okay. Okay. Token, and then we have the get here. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna do get API URL. Okay. This is gonna be subscription ID. Why aren't you completing it, motherfucker? Coco, where is your toy? You lost your toy? Huh? You lost your toy, big boy? You lost it in the bag? Huh? Is it in the bag? Oh, it's not in the bag. Oh, it's right here, Coco. Look, I found your key. I found your toy. This is my boy. This is my boy. Ah, he's such a good kitty. There you go. Play with your toy. There's a good boy. Bro, this cat. What the fuck did I copy here? I think this should work now. this is it. Right? Good. Okay, so we're gonna do here promise array, and do here product or not. Oh shit, sorry, payment. This should be good, right? So it might have things, it might not have things. So I'm gonna just do this here. So now at the user subscription, right? When we are looking at this motherfucker, payment history, where is the payment history? Last payment, okay. There it goes, right here. Yeah, this is what I need right here. All right, let's go over here, page, okay, plan, target plan. Oh, I'm in the wrong page. God damn it. I'm supposed to be here and do this over here. Okay, I'm gonna do also payments equals Mosaic Panda. Selam. Thank you. Teşekkürler. How are you? Welcome. All right, await sub mng dot get payments. Again, we're gonna do here token and then subscription dot id. This should work, right? That's the order I'm sending it. Token subscription id. No, it's not fucking. Neyle uğraşıyorsun? Şu an şu last payment yazıyor ya bak burada. Son ödeme. Last payment. Bunu direkt database'den getireceğiz buraya. Onu yapıyoruz. GitHub'da hiç Next ile proje paylaşmamışsın abi. Yeah, I know. Like, onu yapmadık hiç ya. Aslında yapsak olur, bir tutorial falan güzel olur. Düşünüyorum ya. Yeah. Zevkle beklerim. Hell yeah. Yeah, you should like benim YouTube'u sen follow yap. Oraya giderek gelirse zaten. All right, sounds good. Cool. Okay, now how do I pass the payments here? User subscription. I can also do here payments equals payments. Let's go over here, subscription, and then I'm gonna do here payments Okay. Oh shit. Yeah, this is not good. Mm, yeah, the subscription detail here. Because this is a used client, so that's not so good. I don't like this implementation at all. This is just fucking crazy. Like it's just weird. Let me see if I can move this like somewhere else. Huh? No, 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 no. How do I go about this in the best way possible? I can make this like into its own block, but hmm. Hmm. Oh boy, oh boy. Dancing in the moonlight, baby. Was sitting here listening to you in the background, and then I was like, hold up till I had struck out for a second. My English comprehension had crashed out as you were talking Turkish. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry to cause you confusion there. Ah, shit. Bro. Yeah, because I'm Turkish, and when I first started streaming, like from the very first day, I was streaming in Turkish. So I have a lot of people that follow the channel when I was streaming Turkish, and people just come in, inquire sometimes. So I address it in Turkish, occasionally. The thing about speaking multiple languages, at times my brain just straight up stops processing other languages. I thought that was what happened. Yeah, I experience it occasionally. Yeah, and like sometimes I also like blank out, if that makes sense. Like in the middle of the sentence, I forget what the fucking word is supposed to be, and then I just like, huh? Right? And sometimes like I forget the words in my like native language. Mid sentence, I'll just forget it. Ben de abi senediklerini anlayıp Türkçe cevap veriyorum. Olay bir şey. It's such a weird feeling. Like I know English, I speak English. Why didn't I understand what's being said to me? What's going on here? Uh I feel like that when I'm listening to like rap songs. Eminem is like rapping over there. He's saying stuff. It's all in English, but I don't understand jack shit. It's like I know this language, I know the words, but I don't understand what's happening here. Oh, I fucking hate this shit. It's worse when I have a drink and I will be having a conversation and then they just look at me like I have grown an extra head because my brain has defaulted to the wrong language. Ah, that would be interesting to see. What other languages do you speak? I don't know if you told me. I just don't remember if you did. I feel like that's not the correct grammar. It should be if you had, right? Like you go double past. Shit, I forgot. If you talk about real or potential situations, use present tense. If I wake up early, I will have time to do my homework before I go to school. If you talk about imaginary situations, use past tense. If I woke up early, I would have time to do my homework before I go to school. That doesn't really address it, hold on. English, Russian, German, Italian, Japanese, Mandarin, Latin, and a few other random ones, so I'm more fluent in than others. Holy shit, man. Bro, how? How did you end up learning that many languages? Yeah, I should have said I had. If you had. I don't remember if you had. Yeah, there you go. I'm a polyglot. For years, my brain just naturally was good at picking up languages. Plus, with work sending me all over the world, it helped. Okay, I hear you. Now it makes sense. Like my polyglotness is only like it consists of two languages. That's it. It would be cool to learn like another language. I kind of feel like starting to learn French simply because I'm in Canada right now, and I interact with like people speaking French. So it would be nice to understand. Also, I have a lot of relatives in France, and they all like speak French. So it would be nice to like speak. You mean fake French? I'm not saying that for my own safety here. I don't want to get hit in the head. You don't want to piss off Canadians, bro. They're gonna like send their geese after you. Ah, fake French. That's so weird. Someone actually said that. I really don't like this alignment here. This is bugging me out. I knew this would come back around to bite me in the ass, and it eventually happened. Quebecois, Canadian French, French that isn't French but is at the same time. Like I can understand, but randomly it turns to gibberish. ah, I mean, it doesn't look like people were having trouble understanding each other, regardless like where they are from when they are speaking French. I'm pretty sure there is like I'm pretty sure there are differences, but not to the point that they would have trouble understanding each other, right? It's like American English versus, British English. Maybe a bit more difference because French is not as common as English. So there might be like more, deviation. Türkiye Rusçası konuşabiliyor musun abi? Yok, bilmiyorum. I haven't been in Turkey for like 14 years now. So I don't really remember everything. I've been forgetting a lot of stuff over there. It was on the part of Canada and the regional dialect. Gotcha. Yeah, my neighbor speaks French. Both of them, like husband and wife, they speak French. And I also see a guy here streaming on Twitch. He also does programming. And he moved to Toronto from France. And he's speaking French. And some chunk of his audience is from Canada watching him. So, like, he's speaking French to Canadian French speaking people. So there doesn't seem to be any issues there. I mean, it just feels like even if there are issues, it's probably like trivial. It's 8 o'clock. Should I call it a day? I feel tired. I still did some stuff, but I feel like I'm running on just fumes right now. And I just kind of want to organize this tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do that. So I'm gonna put a little reminder here for myself so I don't forget about it. You know, call and weep over your past mistake that you are going to have to fix, a problem you left for future use here. I hate how fucking spot on that is. That's gonna be a repeating experience for sure. Yeah. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock. I should be doing like regular streams moving forward, pretty much. And you know, hopefully by end of yesterday was my birthday, so you know, there should be like no more distractions by end of the month. And then hopefully by end of the month, I'm gonna finish this entirely. As it normally is in large projects. Enjoy the rest of your night, bud. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right, everybody. Interesting day today. At least we kind of made like a little soft restart on the project because I was gone for like a good week and didn't really do much during that time. So I'll be back again tomorrow. Thanks for chatting me up today. Thanks for the follows on YouTube, by the way. Appreciate that. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye.